Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and set return policies on individual listings on your Etsy shop. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. And from here, the first thing we can do is go into the upper right corner and go ahead and log into your account if you have not already. If you do not have one, just go and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page, now we can get started with opening up our shop manager in the upper right corner. That's going to enable us to set up a store if you do not already have one, and if you have one, you can just get started accessing your store settings from here. So let's go and take a look at this article right here on how to set return and exchange policies on your listings. So you're going to go and open up the shop manager just like I showed you and navigate to the settings within there. From there, you're going to select policy settings. Once you've selected that, you can navigate to returns and exchanges and then select the create policy button. This is what we're searching for. Then you're going to go and be able to choose whether you accept returns and exchanges for an item by selecting the check mark next to each option. So make sure to check what you want and select the time frame that you'll accept returns and exchanges for that item from the drop down menu. Once you're finished, click save and apply and click publish, and just like that, you're going to go and be able to update your policies for some listings in your store. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.